Are you tired of your recordings sounding flat and lifeless? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Audio-Technica AT 2020. The Audio-Technica AT 2020 is a must-see. Priced at $119, this microphone caught my attention with its reputation as the price-performance standard in the studio microphone world. If you want clear, crisp sound in your home studio, this is worth a serious look. This microphone is designed specifically for singing and streaming, making it a top choice for anyone wanting to step up their audio game. It features a high SPL handling and wide dynamic range, which means it can capture everything from soft vocals to loud instruments without distortion. The custom-engineered low-mass diaphragm delivers an extended frequency response, so your recordings are rich and full. Plus, the cardioid polar pattern helps reduce background noise, ensuring the sound you want is front and center. With over 1,000 units sold in just the past month, it's clear people are loving this mic. Now, some people complained about the need for an audio interface to connect it due to its XLR connector. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about audio quality, investing in an interface is a no-brainer, and it opens up a world of possibilities for your recordings. This is perfect for you if you're a budding musician or content creator looking for studio-quality sound on a budget. Skip this one if you need something plug-and-play without additional setup. For the price, it offers fantastic value for money. Now, if the Audio-Technica AT 2020's connection requirement bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Rode NT1 Signature Series. Next up is the Rode NT1 Signature Series, priced at $153. This microphone really caught my eye because it claims to be one of the quietest studio mics out there, just 4 dBA noise level. If you want incredibly clear audio with low background noise, this is a strong contender. With its large diaphragm cardioid design, this mic excels in music production and vocal recording. The HF6 1-inch true condenser capsule means you'll get a smooth frequency response and high sensitivity, which is crucial for capturing those delicate nuances in your voice or instruments. Plus, it comes with a shock mount, pop filter, and XLR cable, which means you're all set to start recording right out of the box. This mic has over 600 units sold in the past month, showing its popularity. However, some users reported that it can be overly sensitive, picking up even the faintest sounds in the environment. Here's the thing, while this can be a downside for noisy settings, it's a huge plus if you're in a controlled studio environment wanting pristine audio quality. This is perfect for you if you're a serious musician or podcaster wanting the best sound quality possible. Skip this one if you're recording in a loud space, as it may pick up unwanted noise. For the features offered, it's definitely worth the investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for your budget without compromising too much on sound quality. Product number 3, Rode NT1 Signature Series Red. Another great choice from Rode is the NT1 Signature Series, but in a striking red color, priced at $159. If you want a microphone that not only sounds great but looks good too, this one stands out. Like its black counterpart, this microphone features the same 1-inch true condenser capsule that provides a smooth frequency response and high SPL handling. It's also known for its low self-noise at just 4 dBA, making it perfect for capturing detailed vocals and instruments without unwanted noise. It also includes the same accessories: a shock mount, pop filter, and XLR cable, which means you have everything you need to get started. With 200+ units sold recently, it's clear that people are drawn to its performance and aesthetic. One downside is that, like the other NT1, some users find it a bit too sensitive in noisy environments. Again, if you're recording in a quiet space, it's a fantastic option. But if you're in a bustling area, you might want something less sensitive. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish microphone that delivers high-quality sound for music production or podcasting. Skip this one if you're working in a less-than-quiet environment. Considering the quality and included accessories, it offers great value for your money. Now, if you want something even more budget-friendly without sacrificing too much quality, let's check out our next product. Product number 4, Mackie M91C. The Mackie M91C comes in at just $49.99, making it an incredible bargain for those just starting out. What caught my attention is how affordable it is while still being labeled a professional quality condenser mic. If you're on a tight budget but still want good sound, this is worth considering. This microphone is designed for voice recording, making it a solid choice for podcasting or home studio use. It has a cardioid polar pattern that minimizes ambient noise, allowing your voice to shine through in recordings. The rugged construction means this mic can take a bit of a beating, which is great if you're moving it around a lot. Plus, it includes a shock mount and XLR cable, which is a nice bonus for the price. With over 100 units sold recently, it's clearly gaining traction. However, some users have pointed out that it can struggle with handling high SPLs compared to more expensive options. Here's the thing though, for everyday recording tasks, especially in a home studio, it performs surprisingly well and won't break the bank. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner podcaster or musician looking for a budget-friendly mic to get started. Skip this one if you're an experienced user needing high-end performance in noisy environments. For the price, it's an absolute steal. Alright, that was a solid budget option. But if you want something that still keeps the quality high while being affordable, check out our next product. Product number 5, Melon Audio Ma 87. Finally, we have the Melon Audio Ma 87, priced at $69.99. This mic really impressed me with its combination of features and affordability. If you want vibrant sound quality without spending a fortune, this is a great option. This microphone features a large 26mm cardioid capsule, which is designed to capture a balanced low-end, silky mid-range, and clear high frequencies. Plus, it comes with a solid metal exterior, a foam filter, and a shock mount, which means you're getting a full package that's ready to use right away. With 100 units sold recently, it's clear this mic is making waves in the budget category. One downside is that it requires 48V phantom power, which means you'll need an audio interface or mixer that supplies this. Some users found that inconvenient. But if you're already set up with those, this mic delivers fantastic sound quality for the price. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a great sounding microphone for podcasting or recording vocals without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you don't have the necessary equipment to provide phantom power. For the performance you get, it's definitely worth it. Now that we've covered all 5, let's wrap this up with a quick comparison. To recap, we've looked at the Audio-Technica AT2020, Rode NT1 Signature Series, Mackie M91C, and Melon Audio Ma 87. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Rode NT1 Signature Series because it balances quality and features perfectly for serious recording. The Mackie M91C is great for budget-conscious beginners, but I'd avoid the Melon Audio Ma 87 if you don't have phantom power available. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.